What's up, guys, and welcome back to Car DNA. I'm here with John again.
What up?
So last video we were talking about his Evo going bye-bye, and unfortunately for him, his Evo is no longer with us.
Evo is no longer in my possession. It's gone. Finito. I said a heartwarming farewell to it. A little quicker than I was expecting from the last video.
A little quicker than both of us were expecting, yeah. Considering.
But the replacement came, and it came along, and I saw it on social media, and it was for sale, and it was kind of a win-win situation, and it just happened. Everything fell into place, and now I'm driving it.
So what did you end up getting?
I ended up getting a 2013 Mercedes-Benz C63 AMG.
Oh,
yeah,
fancy. And wow, was that quick?
Very quick. The title for my Evo came about 3 days ago, and I think I handed the title over, I think the next day after I got it. And then I got this. Very happy right now. This is my first time actually going out and driving it. All I was able to do after I picked it up was bring it home. So now we're out driving it and seeing how it goes. We need to, first things first, we need to get gas, because this thing uses quite a little bit.
Gas is important.
It's a big, thirsty 6.2 liter V8. A lot of people say 6.3, but Mercedes people know it's 6.2. This one has the AMG development pack, which means the internals on this AMG are a little bit different from the standard engine. So it has a revised crankshaft, forged connecting rods and pistons, and an upgraded tune in the ECU from the factory. And this thing, instead of the base C63 putting out 451 horsepower, this one is chucking out 482 horsepower.
Oh dang!
So this thing is, and it's like almost fully loaded. It has Navi, Bluetooth, suede sports steering wheel, actual Designo leather interior, the sports seats. And how do you like the seats?
Oh, I love the seats.
Yeah? Way
better than my seats. Not my bucket seats though.
I was gonna say, is it better than your spoon seat?
Well, I still have the spoon seat, but I'm on the bride seats now, remember?
Oh yeah, you are. You're on the bride seats.
The brides, bro. Come on now.
Well, you go through so many car parts, I never can...
Says you!
What do I do?
How many shift knobs did you go through?
Yo, that's shift knobs. It's like, that's like $40. You go through like wheels and tires.
How many sets of... Don't answer that. Don't answer that.
I was gonna say, yeah, right.
I may have gone through my fair share of wheels and steering wheels.
Oh, steering wheels. Yeah, that was the other thing.
No.
Yeah.
No. One of them was yours.
No. Oh, hey, look.
Hey, you found it.
I found it. It's the little thing that goes right there. Oh,
we'll fix that later.
We'll fix that later. So literally, that's one of the only things that's wrong, is the sunroof button cover is missing. And hey, we just found it.
Hey,
I don't even think it looks broken.
It's not broken.
I think it
just fell off.
Interesting.
Well,
that's exciting.
We found it.
Found it. Yes, we did.
So we're going to go get gas right now, and then we'll probably do a little walk around at the gas station and check out his new ride.
Yes, sir.
Because, oh man, is it comfortable. Let's take a look here. Please turn.
You have to be careful on this stretch of road. There's cops that are patrolling over here now.
Yeah, that would not be good.
No.
So are you sad that your Evo is gone?
Yeah, I'm sad, but it was time. It's time to get into something a little more mature, a little grown up.
I mean, like, oh wait, no, you didn't have your Evo yet.
What?
When we first went to Inspire. You were still in the Mugen.
I was in the Mugen when I was at Inspire. So
hey, look at
evolution.
that. I'm sorry, I'm getting distracted. That's nice. I don't know if you can tell, but
I'm in the V8 club now. Am I the same? No. I wouldn't disrespect American muscle like that.
That is a nice Mustang, though.
But I would argue that this is a German muscle car. This is what the Germans would do if they were to make a muscle car.
Okay, are you going to get into technicalities now?
Yeah, we are.
He gets €1, like AMG.
€1?
Let me rephrase that.
I have two, sir. Whoa. Damn, my bad. Whoa.
Hey, he's shitting on you right now, though.
Whoa, bro.
That guy's just shitting on you. When are you going to do that, dude?
Say, that M3 is dope. I was looking at the TL with the.
Sorry, I was looking at that. I was looking at the BMW. We were looking at two separate things here.
I was making fun of the Ricer, and then I saw the BMW behind me, and I was like, "Oh Lord, look at that!"
Oh my God. Oh, so sexy.
Oh, we're gonna go look at it.
The wide body, though.
Dude, that looks dope.
Wow.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Oh my God, that looks absolutely.
Bride seats too.
That looks sick.
Damn.
I love it, man. I love it. What is up, guys? I'm back, and I have a brand new car. So this is my new 2013 Mercedes-Benz C63 AMG with the factory AMG development package. Now, the most important thing about this one is that your standard W204 chassis C63 comes out of the factory with a 6.2 naturally aspirated V8, and it checks out 451 horsepower. This one, with the development package, has revived crankshaft, lightweight pistons, lightweight connecting rods, and an ECU tune, cranking this thing up to around 480 to 82 horsepower. Some people it's skeptical how high it goes. But also with that package, they raised the speed limit to 174 miles per hour for the US. And it also has two-piece brake rotors in the front with the red calipers. It also has a sport suede steering wheel and carbon fiber trunk spoiler. This also has the multimedia package, so it has everything from like the Logic 7 surround sound system, navigation, Sirius, real-time traffic, and all the goodies for plugging like Bluetooth, auxiliary, USB, micro SD card stuff. This also has, this particular one has Desenio leather interior, so it's actual leather, not the pleather interior, so it's a little more plush, a little more soft. And it's in this dark, beautiful dark gray. Even though I work at Mercedes, I don't know what this color is called. I think it's Obsidian, but yeah, I don't know. But I'm very, very happy with it. I've been wanting one of these for a long time, and for all of my close friends, they know exactly how long. Probably about 4 or 5 years. And I've been fortunate enough to find this when it went on sale about a day ago. No, 2 days ago. It went on sale.
Cause like when did we last like film? Like how many days was it since our last video?
Almost a week.
Yeah, so
I think it was last Wednesday.
We thought this was going to be like a LA trip. We had this whole thing planned.
I'm yeah, I was for sure that I'd have to go to Southern California to find a car like what I wanted, this pristine, this clean, and I think Corey can attest. This thing is absolutely.
I'm actually
good.
Very surprised that you got one so clean so quickly. And here we had this whole plan to go to LA. A group of us.
It was going to be a thing, and then you know what? Sometimes the car of your dreams is 10 miles down the road, which is literally where it was. It was just down the freeway at a used car lot.
So that means we just have to go down to LA just cuz.
Well, we might have to just do that. I mean, we have some events coming that might happen.
Yeah, you want to ride in my S2K to homecoming if I get in?
Absolutely not. No.
Oh, come on. Come on, why not?
See what I ride in, man? I don't want to ride in your little peasant S2000.
Come on!
Oh, yeah. Well, I might. But you'll have to ride with this down to LA too.
Yeah, we definitely need to like do a fat ass trip.
Yeah, no, and I mean this has been a goal for so long, like I said, and to finally have it in my possession, I'm so happy. And I'll show you the interior. And one of the cool things about the interior is the steering wheel and the AMG bucket seats. Well, they're not actually bucket seats, but
they feel like
bucket seats. The bolsters are so huge. They hug you so well. And I had Recaros in the Evo 10, and these ones hug you just a little bit more.
Just that much more, huh?
Just that much more. But yeah, I'm very happy with it.
Let's get a little startup.
I was gonna say, you want to see the goods?
Oops, wrong way.
By the way.
Sorry, still getting used to the gimbal.
Ah.
Just got.
So there it is in all of its glory, the M156 6.2 naturally aspirated V8.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. We just got back from a drive and had to go take care of some groceries. But
family duties.
Yeah, family duties over here. But that's his car. Hopefully we'll have a video about the SI, something similar in the future when he's available, because doing it with one person, not that easy if you want to get some rolling shots.
Yeah, I gotta get behind the camera now.
Yeah, it's his turn, but he'll still be the book of knowledge over here. But so we're going to call it a day here. Sunday, right? Sunday I'll be at the Jelly Belly factory. They have a car show going on, so hopefully I'll see some of you guys out there. But in the meantime, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and see you next time.
Later.